Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make this one small change and watch these videos. It doesn't cost you any money, only costs you a little bit of time, and you're going to be able to improve your ACT math score, which is going to improve your overall ACT score. So there's the rundown of the math section of the ACT, and let's get back into it for. Alright, so during an event, a store gave a free t-shirt to every 24th customer that entered the store and a free gift certificate to every 60th customer that entered the store. Given that 500 customers entered the store during the event, how many customers received both a free t-shirt and a free gift certificate? Ooh, all right. So, let's see. I think the way I would just go about this one is I would just start to figure out, well, I need to figure out what numbers 24 divides evenly into and 60 divides evenly into, right? So basically what I need is I need factors of 60 and factors of 24. So the 60 is going to be a lot easier, right? Because 60 and then times 2 is 120, and then times 3 is 180, right? We're just going up by 60 each time. 240, that one seems to, you see a 24 and a 240, right? Those have a relationship to them. Anyway, sorry. So we got 300, 360, 420, and 480, right? And the next one would be 540, but that's over the 500 customers. So let's take a look at our 24, right? So same deal, right? We would just add up by 24, or we could just do 24 times 1, 24 times 2, 24 times 3. Obviously you have your Desmos calculator to figure these pieces out. So listing these out shouldn't be that big of a deal, right? Because we're just going to add 24 to everyone. Or again, right, you could just multiply it by 2, or multiply 24 by 3, or by 4, right? And we're going to get these values. So basically what I'm doing is I'm looking for, there it is. I'm looking for a common value, right? So 120, and then there's my 120. So what this tells me is that 24 goes into 120, and obviously 60 also goes into 120. So every 120th customer is going to get both the gift certificate and the t-shirt, right? So at 120, the 120th gets, that's one customer that gets both, right? And then another 120, which would be at 240, they would get both. So that's 2. Another 120 to that would be 360. They get both. That's 3. And then after another 120 customers, there we go, 480, they would get both things. And then again, another 120 would be 600, but they told us that only 500 customers are going to get the prize. So it looks like our correct answer here is 4. Again, Desmos didn't really help me with this, besides it could do my calculations for me. The math obviously isn't very complicated with this. It's just, multiplying 60 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and same thing, 24 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until we find that common value. It's just understanding, okay, how do I get these two pieces, and then how do I use them to find, who gets the gift card and the t-shirt. So, all right, what do we say? Our correct answer was 4. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. I know that ACT Math Prep is definitely not the most exciting stuff out there. However, when you come here, you're going to learn a little bit about the ACT, learn about these questions, learn some math, and learn when we can use Desmos to help ourselves out. So your future self will appreciate it if you like and subscribe. That way you can keep getting these quick hits and keep helping improve your ACT math score. Thanks again, everyone.